Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Big Matt's Food Reviews. This is going to be a little bit different this time. It's not actually a food review per se because I've already done this once before. You can go take a look at some of the videos. I've included the those links to those videos in the comment sections. Public service announcement, and this video is not sponsored by it. I'm not getting paid to do it. This is just for you pizza lovers everywhere. This month, for the March Madness, for this week only, it'll expire through on the 24th of March. 24th of March, if you order online only, you get 50% off all regular priced pizzas from Domino's. Take a look at this. I got the large hand tossed pepperoni pizza with there we go, extra cheese and extra sauce. You know me, I like my extra sauce. Just to go ahead and take a bite because it's Big Matt's Food Reviews, and I've already given it an official rating, and I can't remember what it was. I'll just have to look at that. Oh, actually, that was before I changed my my rating system. Yes, I rated it a 5 out of 5. Okay. Nice selection of, you can see they put a lot of cheese on there and a lot of sauce on there. So let's go ahead and dig in. Dough is nice, thick for a hand toss. Plenty of sauce. Gives it that extra quality flavor, which is what I like. Cheese is good as always. It's plenty flavorful. Dough is cooked to perfection. Hot, fresh. I ordered this about 25 minutes ago. They cooked it fresh, delivered it straight to my house. It's only been 30 minutes, so it's really good. Can't ask for anything better than that. So once again, this week only ends March the 24th. 50% off all regular menu price pizzas, online ordering only at participating Domino's. If I had to give this a rating, I'm going to give it a solid 97 out of 100. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have more videos coming up soon. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.